subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to go to the Andrew Squad. We have milk, 2 cups, spoons, and milk inside here in a cup, and syrup chocolate. So, now we need syrup. Quack. Stop going. So we have to open this and then pour it. Okay, guys. Oh, I see some. Look, Colin. I want to do it.
Okay.
I want to do it. Okay, your turn. Did I get it?
All right, that's enough chocolate.
That's enough. Enough. Come on, see.
Carla, that's enough chocolate.
I got the water. You got the water. I got chocolate. Look at there. Okay, let's set that over here. Are you going to taste it? I'm going to taste it. Go. Yummy. Go, Mommy. Let's stir it up now. Stir it.
Take turns and stir it.
Okay, first Colin. Look, it's getting stirred up. Look, getting chocolate milk. Look, my turn. Milk and chocolate. Yeah. Look. Oh, it's turning chocolate. Your turn. Oh, I see chocolate. Now. Now, Mommy is going to pour chocolate milk in, and see this? And it dripping. It's good.
So it looks like y'all need to stir it a little bit more because you still see chocolate at the bottom of the cup. You see? Just a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to pour it in there.
Yeah. And you got to turn. I got turns, but I didn't got to turn at the end. Oh. I guess I'm going to drink.
So it wasn't that much chocolate left at the bottom. They stirred it all up real good.
We can use our spoons to drink it.
You can.
Or drink it.
How does it taste?
Good.
It tastes good.
Yeah. Mommy, taste some.
Okay, I'll taste a little bit. Yeah, that's some good chocolate milk.
And good what?
What?
I drink the chocolate milk.
Don't pull your shirt up, but that's okay. You get a towel from over there. So just with 2 simple ingredients and a few things out of the kitchen, you can make chocolate milk at home. Just like Kyler said, you need the syrup, milk, some glasses in a container, and boom, you got some chocolate milk. So we're going to end this video here. We are. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel.
And subscribe to our school. And squad, you forgot.
She keep on wanting to call us the Andrew Squad, so I guess subscribe to the Andrew Squad. Make sure you click that bell so you can get the notifications. And until next time,